What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to hide your subscriptions, and what this setting basically does is that it allows you to hide who you're subscribed to. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we are now on YouTube, and the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top right and click on your profile, then scroll all the way down and click on settings. Now, this will take you to your account settings where you can do some cool things like create a new channel. However, we're not interested in this right now, and instead we're going to go to the left side and click on privacy. Now, the first setting that's going to pop up is the setting to keep all your subscriptions private. Now, for me, it's off, and by default, it should be off, so I'm going to turn it on, and now nobody can see who I'm subscribed to. Anyways, guys, that is how you can hide who you're subscribed to. If you like this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.